Hello, my friends. I'm really excited to share these items with you. It's all about fall, and let me share them with you. I don't even know which one to show you first, so I'm going to show you this one first because it's a new Step Up card. I love our Step Up cards. They're so easy peasy to do. You die cut them and fold them and boom, you're done. Right? So easy. And I have lots of samples to share with you because they are so easy. In fact, I'm going to show you one right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to run the biggest die through the machine and you're going to get this, right? You're going to get this piece, the orange piece. Then you're going to die cut all the extra pieces that come in it because I give you a ton of pieces optional pieces to go with it. And you're going to decorate. So simple, easy peasy. So you're going to love this one. And it has that big phrase, I'm so thankful for you. Also coordinates with our fun thinking of you that we've already released and our happy birthday that we've already released. They go boom right on there as well. Then, and I know this looks like nothing, so I'm going to show you in person because I know it looks like nothing. Happy Thanksgiving. You guys went crazy, crazy, crazy when we started selling the Happy Halloween version of this font. So now we are adding the Happy Thanksgiving. Of course, more to come, rest assured. But that Happy Thanksgiving we need to get out because it is time to start thinking about Thanksgiving. Can you believe it? Then, speaking about Thanksgiving, I designed these stamps, I think last year for myself, because I was making some turkey fold-its, and we have a couple different turkey fold-its, but I was using one of them, and I don't even remember that one, the feet got messed up, but I don't know which one I was using, and I had some on HSN, and I needed some stamps. And when I need something, I just go make it. So here it is. So now you are finally going to get your hands on these. I made these way too late last year. So we've had them manufactured right now for all of you. And they all go with all of our turkey items. Fold-its or turkey pictures. So like our little turkey pudgy, you name it, you got it. And here we go. Or no turkey at all. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? So here we go. Turkey hugs and pumpkin pie kisses. You're invited to turkey time. Feathers and fun. Thanksgiving has begun. Gobble till you wobble. Happy Thanksgiving. Let's give thanks. You're the turkey to my stuffing. Keep calm and gobble on. Turkey time is family time. I'm thankful for you and count your blessings. Also included is one of our cute little turkey fold-its right there in the center. So you can add that to the back of your cards to decorate your envelope. So now this is available. Also being released is this fun, well, we'll show this one, the paper pad. Paper pads are very limited. Once they're gone forever. But remember that stand-up I showed you? First of all, look at the pumpkins. You've seen the pumpkins before. Love it. Now, don't forget also, this die set comes with pumpkins. And look, big cutout sheets. So now this is the perfect cutout sheet paper pad. So I know this is going to go really, really fast, you guys. We also sell these cutouts as a digital option as well. But you're probably going to want the pattern paper as well. We don't sell the pattern paper as a digital, just the cutouts. But look, oh, that's sunflower. Isn't that awesome? There is another cutout sheet. I believe there's 4 cutout sheets total. Look at that. Oh, look at those sunflowers. I love it. There's another cutout sheet. So you're definitely going to want to pick up a couple of these. Once they're gone forever. And look at all those perfect fall colors, right? So go check that out. Last but not least, I believe this is last, and then I'm going to start showing you all my awesome samples. Last but not least is this Wonky Chevron stencil. Now this Wonky Chevron stencil, that's a mouthful, isn't it? Is really fun because it makes this really cool look. And here I have one sample there in blue. You don't have to do like Thanksgiving type looks or anything. But look, here it is on the back of this card. Isn't that gorgeous? Don't you just love that? It is so pretty. I love it. So there's that one. Now let's look at some of our other options, okay? I already showed you this Happy Thanksgiving, but let's look at some other Happy Thanksgiving. What about on a tag? Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that so fun? I just love that Happy Thanksgiving. Actually, I think this might be a sneak peek for a tag. Here we go. Ooh, isn't that gorgeous? In our fall oval frame. It fits perfect. Can I tell you a secret? I didn't know it fit perfect. That was on accident. I'll be honest. I gotta take I'll take credit when it's due, but this one it's not due. It just happens to fit. And whew, good job, Stephanie. Sometimes I forget to look. Ooh, okay. Knock your socks off. Sheila made this one. This is using our pearl background cardstock in copper. Happy Thanksgiving. Adding some cute little leaves on there. I love it. Here we go. Ooh, this is on a wobbly, which is so fun. Look at those fun turkey stamps. Now, those turkey stamps, you are going to use every Thanksgiving, right? Every Thanksgiving, that turkey stamp set. I don't very often do a whole theme just of words on a specific holiday. So it's really a good one to have for all of Thanksgiving for forever, right? But look at how cute those are. I love that. Here's one of our cute little fold-its of the turkey. So cute. And then, oh, here's the other one. Here's the other turkey fold-it. But there was also one on HSN too. So hopefully you got that one. And look how cute that one is. Love it. And then here, oh, you guys. Look at that. So that rounded background is from the Thinking of You set that we sold last month. But look at how beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. So my friends, go check out the website. The first 24 hours, these items are on our website. They're on flash sale. So I like to kind of give you a little incentive to get it quick, right? But once it's sold out or 24 hours have passed, it goes to our regular everyday low price. Club members, no matter what price it is, you are still getting your discount on top of that price. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Keep in mind the stencils and the paper pads are very, very limited. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.